Welcome back to my English channel. I'm Hazrat, English with Hazrat. Today, I'm gonna show how to pronounce the months of the year. The months of the year. First, we have January, February. We don't need the pronouns after the B. February. March. In British pronunciation, R is silent here. March. April. Not April. Some people say April, but we say April. May, June, July, August, not August, like O long vowel sound, August. September, ending the word R is silent here. September. In the same case, October. November. Same thing, R is silent here. November. And the last one is December. No R at the end. December. Okay. Again, you can say with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.